Seriously, it's one of the hardest videos to film every single year, but it's a tradition now, so let's get to it. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another sneaker video, and this is my top 19 of 2019. Two sneakers that haven't made the list but would literally make the list every year they came out. I just thought it wasn't fair as I had the sneakers beforehand anyways, and this is kind of like a double up. But it is, boom, both black and reds, the 4s, the 11s, both hot fire. They're on everyone's list, they have to be, but I thought it'd be a little bit unfair to have them, so I'm not going to put them, but let's get to the real 2019. In at number 19 is a pair. It's kind of unfair that I put it on there, to be honest, but I literally opened it up today and I was like, these are kind of fire and they have to be on the list at some point. So I put them in at 19, and it is the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. I wasn't too sure how I'd feel about them in person, but after seeing them, absolute no-brainer. They might have even been higher in the list if they came out earlier and I took them in properly, but yeah. Number 19, Jordan 3 Animal Instinct. In at number 18 is, boom, the Asics Gel Kayano 5 360. Absolutely fire shoe. First time getting this model, and yeah, it had to be on the list at some point, and it's made it in here at number 18. Very respectable, I'd say. In at number 17 here, kind of cheating as it's a double one, but it is, boom, the Adidas Yeezy 700 V2 Vanta, and boom, the Adidas Yeezy 350 Black Static. These pretty much came out at the same time. Two black Yeezys, both fire. They had to make the list. I didn't think it was fair to put them in separately. They both rank about the same to me anyways. Easily wearable shoes, both super dope. In at number 17. In at 16 is a dope collaboration between two brands, and it is, boom, the AFU times Diadora Master Formula. Super fire. The purple bangs, the silhouette bangs. It's just all kind of hotness. In at 16, could have been higher, but there's a lot of heat to come. Now, in at 15, people are going to be shocked. These are kind of criminally low, but just how it's turned out, and it is, boom, the Air Max 90 Desert Ores. I love the colorway. The lace swap just makes these pop like crazy, but in my opinion, it's just not a super comfortable shoe for me. So it doesn't get as much wear, and it kind of just fell to the back of my mind. I kind of even forgot that these came out this year, but color wise they have to be on the list, but not as high just because of comfortability, which makes me not wear them as much as I would like to, but super fire shoe regardless. In at 14, I had to get a Saucony on it, and it is, boom, the Sneaker Politics collaboration, the Beignet Cafe du Monde. Super fire shoe. Love what they've done with the concept of this one. Hit it out the park. Saucony collabs are always dope. Hope in 2020 we see some more dope ones, maybe from some bigger brands that will get everyone back on the hype train again, but kind of good for me that I can pick up the ones that I want easy as possible. But yeah, super fire shoe. Now in at 13, I don't know how it's happened, and I'm probably going to regret this long term, but it is, boom, the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low. I'm just looking at it now and I'm regretting what I'm doing. I don't know how it's ended up this low, but it kind of has. I think the shoe's fire. I've kept it with the standard black laces. The pink ones do look fire as well. It is a fire shoe, but yeah, I don't think it tops any of the ones sitting down there, unfortunately. But yeah, Travis Scott is what it is, bro. In at number 12, one of the best silhouettes there ever was, and it did very well with this one, and it is, boom, Jordan 1 black toe satin. I have the regular black toes from like 2017, 2016, wherever that was. These ones just seem a little bit more high quality. My ones that I had before really messed up, so I was very happy to get these. Satin's a nice little touch, so they had to make it high up on this list. Just missing out on the top 10. Probably make it on a lot of people's lists, and it is, boom, the Jordan 1 Low UNC SB. Yeah, this shoe super fire. Still need the high, but this low is super special, I must say. Didn't make it top 10, but close enough. Fire shoe regardless. And yeah, so the top 10 now. One of my recently reviewed shoes, and it is, boom, The off-white pine green dunks. Yeah, this shoe is super fire. Makes it in at top 10. Again, maybe because it came out so late, it didn't like tickle my pickle big time to make it higher on the list, but it is super fire, so it had to make top 10. Top 10 is good honors anyway, so yeah. Off-white dunks in at number 10. In at number 9, it's another shoe that was debating its position, but I think it's this spot and not higher because it's not a shoe model that I wear often, just because of it's just not a shoe model that I wear often, but it's super fire still. And it is, boom, Cactus Jack Jordan 6. They smashed it with this one. The little extras, the glow in the dark sole. It's a fire shoe. It's just not the shoe that I would go to rock all the time. A 6 just isn't my favorite of all time, but everything else about it is dope, so it makes it in there at number 9. In at number 8 is a shoe that kind of surprised me. When I first got it, I got it earlier than most people, and I was happy with it, but I wasn't like over the moon with it. Once I started wearing it out, I realized, yeah, this is dope, and the whole concept with the rubber way and all sorts, super fire. And it is, boom, Jordan 1 LA to Chicago. Great concept, great idea. They smashed it with this one. I haven't customized mine at all. I've kept it simple and plain. It's not often you see like a Lakers colorway on a Jordan 1 SB, so why not keep it as it is? But yeah, super fire shoe. In at number 7 is a shoe I literally just reviewed the other day, and it is, boom, the Adidas Yeezy 700 Azrael. Yeah, this shoe's fire. It's special, a future classic for sure. Can't wait to see more colorways. But yeah, it's coming at number 7. Not cracked the top 5, but close enough. At number 6, just missing out on the top 5 is, boom, another appearance from Travis Scott, Cactus Jack. This time it's the Air Force 1. This shoe is super dope. It literally looks like someone's done a bespoke and they've released it, like kind of general released it, I guess. And it's just mad. They absolutely killed it with this pair. In at number 6, just missing out on the top 5. But yeah, super fire in my opinion. The best Air Force 1 of the year, hands down. In at number 5 is a shoe that kind of surprised me, like how high quality the leather was. I just didn't see it coming. I knew the colorway was dope, but the leather quality just took it to a next level, which had to get it this ranking, and it is, boom, the Jordan 1 Obsidian. That UNC color, the Obsidian, they smashed it, and the leather, top notch, smashed it. So glad to have got more than one pair. This is going to be a future classic for sure, so happy to have got mine sorted out for the future right now. In at number 4, another recent pickup, like the last December. It's been a good one, and it is, boom, the Yeezy 380 Alien. So glad that Yeezy's doing some new stuff right now, and these ones are super dope. Comfort wise, crazy. Love the mesh, love the sole. Just like really dope shoe. Translucent, everything. Smashed it with these. Just a little bit better than the Azrael like 700 V3s, but they're both dope, and yeah, super dope. Made it as high as 4. Crazy times. In at number 3, I've got 2 shoes in my hand. Again, we're doing the double showing here. It's a shoe that probably is number 1 on most people's lists, but it's cracked top 3, which is, it's respectable regardless. And it is, boom, the Nike Sacai Waffle in the OG red and blue Filipino colors, and also in the black colorway. Couldn't decide between the 2, so why not show them both? Yeah, they smashed it with this. Double everything on the shoe, literally double everything. People normally do a collaboration, they add a little touch here and there. They've literally smashed 2 shoes together and created this masterpiece, in my opinion. Made it to top 3. Very fire shoe. Now, in at number 2, we're getting like to crunch time now, and it is the shoe that's probably number 1 on most people's lists. Boom, Travis Scott Jordan 1. This is the shoe that this year, if I'd missed out on it, I would be crying real grown man tears. Like, this is the shoe that once I saw it, it was like must have. The colorway, the materials, the bloody backward swoosh. Are you kidding me? I still say if they had this backward swoosh on both sides, it would make it like twice as better, in my opinion. This still kind of bothers me that they have the regular size swoosh on this side, but it is what it is. The stash pocket, phenomenal shoe, phenomenal. Could have easily been number one, but just didn't make it. So people are probably thinking literally every shoe has been shown, like what could be number one, and literally only one person out there probably knows what it is. Shout out to my guy Drips, and it is, for the second year in a row, randomly an Air Max 1 has won it, and it is, boom, the Air Max 1 black schematic. Seriously, the Air Max 1 black schematic has won, and in my opinion this shoe is simply like bonkers. It's one of them shoes my girlfriend wanted for me on the sneakers raffle, and then I saw it before it even arrived. I think I saw it at Sneaker Nest or Crep City, I think I saw it at, and they were going for some crazy money, and I was like, thank God I got these early. I didn't think that was going to be like that hard to get kind of thing. Like, they seem to only release on sneakers over here, so not many people have them. I don't think I've seen anyone else wear them, to be honest. The white pair was easy to get, the OG red pair was easy to get, but this one I've not seen it on anybody. That's not why I made it number one because it's rare, it's because it's fire. Just the black and white, it doesn't even look real. Like, you see it on video, you see pictures, it looks like it's kind of been like stuck on. Like, it's just the black is so deep black, the white just, it's a mad shoe. Watch my review if you've not seen details of this shoe before. But yes, number one shoe of the year, the Air Max 1 black schematic. Last year's number one, as I said, was the Air Max 1. It was the Para Air Max 1s. In hindsight, I just put it on Instagram today. In hindsight, I regret that. I think the Unions should have been number one, but it is what it is. But yeah, very happy with this shoe. Very happy with my top 19. I copped a lot of sneakers this year. Next year has to change. Like, it can't be this mad again. But we're sneakerheads. It happens. It just gets like that. I've got another shoe that's literally on the way. That's gonna be coming soon. So, is what it is. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. So yeah, check me out on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers. Dope pictures pretty much every day. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Ashbash signing out. Later, y'all.